Imagine having a super smart assistant that can read almost the entire internet and is ready to chat with you about anything, anytime. It's ChatGPT. It's an AI chatbot created by OpenAI that can write essay, code of website, brainstorm ideas, and even tell jokes. But how does it actually works? And is it magic or just clever math? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Think of ChatGPT as the world's most advanced autocomplete. It's trained on a massive ocean of books, articles, and websites. When you type a message, it doesn't think like a person. Instead, it predicts the next most likely word based on pattern it learns. It strings the predictions together, sentence by sentence, to create response that sound incredibly human. But there is a secret sauce. It was fine-tuned with human feedbacks to be helpful, harmless, and honest. That's why it feels like a real conversation. It remembers what you say earlier and accepts its tone. No magic, just very smart pattern matching. So what makes ChatGPT so powerful? First, it understands natural languages. You can talk to it like a real friend. No special command needed. It remembers context within a chat. So you can ask follow-up questions and refine its answers. There is even voice conversation, mobile, you speak, it responds. The free version uses ChatGPT 3.5, but a paid plus plan unlocks ChatGPT 4, which is noticeable, smarter, and can browse the web. People use ChatGPT for almost everything. Students explain tough topics, professional drafts emails and reports, program debug codes, and creators overcome writer's block. It's a learning buddy. Small business owners use it to write marketing copy, and on a fun note, it can roleplay a job interview or suggest a dinner recipe from random ingredients in your fridge. The possibilities are endless. So the conclusion is, ChatGPT is like having a genius brainstorm partner in your pocket. The best way to understand it, just try it. Head to chat.openai.com, type your first question and see where the conversation takes you. Bye bye.